Hello students, welcome to your environmental studies class. So today in EVS our topic is round the clock. So here today we will know about the directions. So directions, there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. So directions help us to find a place. What is direction? It is help us to find a place. If you stand facing the sun like so, the direction in front of you is the east. The direction at your back is the west, and the direction to your left is north, and the direction to your right is the south. See in this picture, one boy is there. He is facing the sun, and his front area is east, and back is west. Left is north and the south is right is south. So here the thing is that wherever sun rises, that area known as, in which direction sun rises, that direction is known as east, and wherever sun sets, that known as west, and the right side of that left side of that is north and right side is south. This is the fact. In early man they don't have the clock and watch, so that time according to sun they know the direction, and according to sun they know the time. When sun is going, sun is moving, how sun is shining, like that they know the time. See, आप देखेंगे कि डायरेक्शंस इट मीन्स दिशाएं जो होती हैं, चार मुख्य दिशाएं हैं: ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. एंड ईस्ट इज जहाँ सन सूरज उगता है, सूर्य उदय जहाँ से होता है, उगता है, दैट इज नोन एज ईस्ट. पूरब, जहाँ सूर्य डूबता है, अस्त होता है, दैट इज नोन एज वेस्ट और पश्चिम. और जो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं बायां साइड जो होता है वो नॉर्थ होता है, जिसे हम उत्तर, और दायां साइड जो होगा वो दक्षिण होगा. ये चार दिशाएं होती हैं. सूरज के अनुसार ही हम इन दिशाओं का ज्ञान कर पाते हैं और टाइमिंग का भी. जैसे पहले ज़माने में क्लॉक घड़ी नहीं होती थी, तो लोग सूरज की देखकर सूरज कहाँ से निकल रहा है, सो उनको पता चलता जहाँ से सूरज उदय हो रहा है वो पूर्व की दिशा होगी, ईस्ट एरिया होगा. सूरज जैसे जैसे ऊपर की ओर आसमान में बढ़ते जाता था, उस तरीके से समय का पता चलता था. जब सूरज व्हेन सन इज द टॉप ऑफ आवर हेड, हमारे सिर के ऊपर की ओर एकदम पहुंच जाता है, एकदम सीध में, हमारे सिर के सीध में जब सन ऐसा पहुंचेगा, सो उस टाइम वो दोपहर का समय 12 o'clock का 12 बजे का समय होता है, जब सूरज एकदम हमारे सिर के सीध में होता है. दिस इज़ द फैक्ट. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट दे नो अबाउट द टाइमिंग एंड ऑल. सी इन द नेक्स्ट पेज, name the four directions. Name the four directions. Four directions are east, west, north and south. So weather and seasons. Now we will know about the weather and seasons. Weather changes from day to day. Sometimes it is hot and sunny, sometimes it is cloudy and rainy, some days are cold, some days are windy. So see, today's date is quite cloudy and windy. A change in weather is a season. So weather is day to day changes is known as weather. Season, it means a grasping change of a weather. A season, it means it will take 3 to 4 months, it will same or it is same. Our food and clothes change according to the weather. In our country we have 3 seasons in a year. In April, May and June the days are very hot. It is summer season. So weather, it means day to day when the climate or its changes are showing, like sometimes hot, sometimes sunny or cloudy, rainy, like that. Daily in season सीज़न जो है 2 to 3 मंथ नियर अबाउट रहता है एंड ओके सीज़न 2 and 3 जो मंथ नियर अबाउट 2 to 3 4 मंथ तक भी रहता है एंड वेदर जो रहता है वो डेली चेंजेस होते हैं कोई दिन बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, किसी दिन ठंडी के साथ विंडी हवा, ठंड के साथ हवा भी बैठती है, समटाइम्स सन भी रहता है, सनी डे रहता है, हॉट रहता है, तो हर दिन अलग अलग जो है वो रहता है, बट अप्रॉक्स 3 से 4 मंथ का 3 to 4 month टाइम इज सेम लाइक दैट विंटर इज लाइक cold days are going on in winter, everything where is cold is there, we are wearing woolen clothes in winter and in summer what will happen कि समर में गर्मी का ही मौसम रहता है, किसी दिन कम गर्मी रहती है, किसी दिन ज़्यादा गर्मी रहती है, सो लाइक दैट हमारे कंट्री में मेन जो होते हैं 3 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सीज़न है और 3 सीज़न मोस्टली रहते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज summer, winter and rainy. In summer, April, May and June, that time is known as summer. Maybe March it started, March to June. So it is known as summer season. उस समय बहुत गर्मी रहता है, you know that everything. We are wearing comfortable clothes like cotton clothes. We are drinking cold water and all the things. And in July, August and September, most probably end of the June, July, August, September, we have rain. It is rainy season or monsoon season. बारिश का मौसम, you know that rain is there, and sometimes a rainbow is seen in the sky on a rainy day. A rainbow has seen 7 colors. You know that a rainbow has 7 colors. See, rainbow इंद्रधनुष, इसमें 7 कलर्स होते हैं और रेनी सीज़न जो रहता है जून लास्ट से जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, जून लास्ट से स्टार्ट हो जाता है एंड इट इज़ नोन एज मानसून ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ in November, December and January, most probably end of the October or October, November, December, January, the days are cold. That time days are very cold. It is winter season. बहुत ठंड रहती है. It is known as winter. You know that how we are wearing always woolen clothes and nowadays winter is going on, as you know that. So month and days. According to that, there are 12 months in a year. January is the first month of the year. December is the last month of the year. We all know that January to December makes 1 year. After that again new year comes, like nowadays January month is there and our new year started 2022. A month has 4 weeks. Most probably a month has 4 weeks. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, so months of the year, what are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months and days of the week is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So according to our school and colleges or workplace, Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day. In a school and colleges, most probably institution, they are giving holiday on Sunday. Okay, so what we know about that, we learned that there are 4 directions. The sun rises in the east. Weather changes from time to time. Okay, so the days are hot in summer and cold in winter. There are 12 months in a year. There are 7 days in a week. So some words we just know about that. Directions, the position towards which someone or something moves or faces. Okay, monsoon, the season of heavy rain during the summer. Okay, so So that is known when summer, when the ending of summer, there will be very heavy rain start. That is known as monsoon. So you have to read this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.